Wicked witch, give me back my slipper. It's mine now. When it's dark, no need to pout. You can take your flashlight out. Use your fingers, thumbs and all, so shadows play along the wall. Place your hand up to the light. Your shadow dances in the night. Looky, look, a little snail crawling on the ground. Looky, look, a bunny hops, bouncing up and down. Looky, look, a silly goose. Its berries one by one. Looky, look, a hairy moose. The berries are all gone. With our thumbs and fingers too, we'll make a shadow puppet zoo.
Looky, look.
A happy cow. Listen to her moo.
Looky, look.
A big gray wolf howling at the moon. Looky, look, an elephant. His trunk sways to and fro. Looky, look, a spooky spider.
A spider? Yikes! Let's go!
When it's dark, no need to pout. You can take your flashlight out. Use your fingers,